I'm Jesse Ibidun, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 to Introduction to Improvisation, Highlife Music, and I sincerely apologize for the delay. So we'll be going on a short musical break now. Stay back, stay tuned, and enjoy. Welcome back, guys, from that short music break, and I'm sure you enjoyed it. So we're going straight away into business, and like you all know, this is the part 2 to Introduction to Improvisation on Highlife Music. So in the last video, we talked about simple rhythmic approach or pattern. We talked about chord scale. We talked about arpeggio approach and patterns as well, and I also explained scale, the kind of scales you can use in a 1-4-5 progression over on Highlife Music. You understand? I want you to note this important feature of improvisation, which is articulation. In Highlife Music, articulation is key. Your scale, your arpeggios have no meaning if you don't have the right articulation to it. So articulation is the primary and the bedrock to interpret Highlife music effectively or proficiently. It's also important to note the following features for effective improvisation on Highlife music, which are theme, sequence, imitation, repetition, and phrase mark. So I come again: theme, sequence, imitation, repetition, and phrase mark. And now I would like to demonstrate to you the following features of Highlife music improvisation, which are theme, sequence, imitation, repetition, and phrase mark. So that was the theme I just introduced to my improvisation, and I'm sure you could hear the organized melody. Sometimes it's better you establish your theme in a simple form with direct and organized melody. That way it helps you to express the music better, and it helps you to develop your idea. So the second one I'll be doing now is the sequence, and we'll be picking some notes out of the theme to establish this sequence. Just listen. So that was a restatement of the theme, which is the sequence, and I'm sure you could tell that I was picking out notes from the main theme, to create the sequence for the improvisation, and that way it's making the idea more interesting and more engaging. So the next one I'll be doing now is imitation. I'm sure you could tell from the style of playing initially that that was imitation. And you could tell from the sound that there were several real chord phrases in different sequence, and the idea of imitation basically is to have real chord, notes or group of notes in different variations. So the next one I'll be doing now is repetition. And repetition is like connecting back to the theme, which was your introduction, or in a way is like the basic of the whole improvisation where you start from. So repetition is like playing everything all over again, but in a different style. Probably you have to change some notes or elongate some notes or change your expression or articulation. But the idea is just that you maintain the theme and make sure it's very similar to what it sounds like at the initial stage. And the final one is the phrase mark. Now, this is a technical feature that helps you clone your improvisational ideas into smooth passages. And it's important to consider phrase mark because this is what helps you connect your phrases, helps you connect your sequence, and at the same time helps you establish your theme. Thank you for watching, and this is the end of Introduction to Improvisation based on Highlife Music Part 2. I encourage you to go through the Part 1 and at the same time subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not, and don't forget to share, to like, and drop a comment. You can ask your question through the comment section below, and hope to see you in the next tutorial. Cheers. I am Jesse Ibidun.